What's going on, everybody? Check this out real quick. I just want to tell you one thing and one thing only. I do not want to take too much of your time. Some of you got work. Some of you got all these other obligations that you got going on. You don't have enough time to watch an hour-long video. So I don't want to take too much of your time. So before I get into the message, the positive message for today, I just want to tell you, hit the subscribe button, hit my little logo somewhere. It's in one of these corners right here. Hit the button. Make sure you like this video, leave a comment, turn on the notification bell so you get notified every time I drop a video. If you want this energy, if you want this positive vibration that I bring every single day, you better hit that mother loving like button right now. Hit the subscribe button right now. Matter of fact, I'm gonna wait a little bit. Did you do it? Did you hit this? You didn't do it. I know you didn't do it. Hit it right now before I start this message. Come on now. Hit the button right now. Now back to the message. People do not care about how rough the waters are for you. They just want to know, can you bring the boat in or not? Here's what I mean by that, just in case that went over some of y'all's head. You're going through something. You're going through some trials and some tribulations. You're battling a lot of barriers, a lot of mountains. A whole bunch of things are happening to you right now. You don't really know, whether you can get the job done or not. And you're sitting around here crying, complaining like,
oh my God, man, I don't know if I can get past this, man. Stuff is just going on for me. I don't know if I can do this.
And you think people want to hear your sob story, when in fact, it's the opposite. People want to know, man, are you going to persevere? Are you going to find a way to get through this? Are you going to find a way to bring that boat into shore? Because if not, we'll find another person. We'll get another person that's going to get the job done no matter what. Because you are not the only person in the world. I hate to break it to you, but the world does not revolve around you. I don't want to sound insensitive. Everybody goes through things and everybody has their problems and everybody deals with them in their own way. Some people take them a little bit more time, and that's just the way it is. But at the end of the day, we have to find a way to get the job done. We have to find a way to bring the boat onto shore, regardless of how stormy the weather is, regardless of how rough the waters are. We have to find a way to get the job done, man. Are y'all ready to get after it? Are y'all ready to make things happen? Are you ready to get the job done? I hope so, man. Let's go.